Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will guide you through the whole process how you can make this quinoa salad at home. Before cooking your salad, prepare the ingredients needed. Start with the grater for shredding the onion. Of course, if you have electric one, please use it to speed up the process. Then chop the garlic into smaller pieces. Continue with the spinach. Chop it into smaller pieces or either lengthwise. And at the end, chop the dry tomatoes. Before cooking the quinoa, you must wash it very well under running water. Put the quinoa in a suitable pot. Add 2.5 glasses of cold water to the pot. Cook until the water evaporates. Some useful information about the quinoa. It is important to wash and drain quinoa well before cooking, as the raw grains are coated with a bitter substance called saponin. Another way is to soak the quinoa in water for 10 minutes before cooking, which also helps remove the saponin. This is how the quinoa should look like once ready. In a frying pan, add some avocado oil. Add the onion and the garlic and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. While the onion and the garlic are cooking, add the chopped spinach and mix the ingredients. Add the dry tomatoes. Add Himalayan salt plus pepper. Mix again and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cooked quinoa to the meal. Keep stirring so all flavors can mix. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Place the ready meal in a deep plate. Decorate with few pomegranate seeds. Serve the dish while still hot.